Good morning, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they unfold live. Market doesn't open up here for about 25 minutes, but Craft here, KHC, is just getting absolutely hammered right now in the pre-market. So might get a pre-market trade here, which I know are pretty popular. So if it looks like I'm going to enter a position, I will get the video rolling again. Okay, I have an order at 27.45. GDOT just went absolutely bonkers from 24 up to high of 27.24. Well, hopefully it gets back up there. I was kind of close, within 20 cents on that crazy move, but looks like I was maybe a little too conservative on that. But I'm not willing to quite give up on it yet. So I'll keep you updated. All right, I have an order at 26.25 to go short, stop at 26.52. Looking like this thing might want to roll down through here, but this could just be a little consolidation before resuming back up. So if it is a healthy little consolidation, then I'll just take my loss and move on. But also, with this point, so I just wanted to peek its head up here just a little bit, and then break down through this area right here. But first step, it's got to peek its head back up to 26.25. So we'll see if it can do that or not. Okay, order at 27.45. Oh, come on. It gave me 30. Oh, are you kidding me? Alrighty then, let's just hop out. So $3.90 because I only got a partial. Well, we'll try it again at 27.75. Well, it stopped at 27.72, so 3 cents below where I wanted in. So let's just go up to 27.95 at this point. So this one's clearly playing some games with me. Whoops. The reason I'm doing that is, as you see, with the big gap down, that's kind of throwing off the proportions. But if I move it over like this, yeah, let's see if it can work its way up to 27.95. I'll keep an eye on it. But so far, I'm rich. On my other screen that you can't see, I have Maseratis and Porsches and Escalades up. I'm going shopping with my $3.90. So this one can be pretty jumpy, so I don't want to quite, there we go, getting some movement. But again, first entry point at 27.95. All right, I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, broke through 28, and I adjust my order up to 28.25. Once again, just pausing right before it. So it's gone up as high as 28.24. So this is apparently one where I'm going to need to just get steamrolled, meaning I'm going to need to go in the red to get filled, because this one just will not fill you, apparently, unless you just let it go against you. So 28.45, and you'll see I'll get filled if I do, and then it'll definitely go against me, but I still don't want to post this video now. Well, never mind. So I clearly have no idea what I'm talking about, and I totally understand if you turn this video off right now, because it's almost like the stock herd. It's like, oh, you think you know, huh? That's got to be one of my favorite moments. And I've been doing these live trade videos for years now. Years. That may be one of the the best moments ever. Right, 28.75. Let's try the process again. Oh man, that was good. Well, as you saw there, I made $50 in literally a second. Here I'm sitting here saying, oh, the price is going to go against me. The price is going to go against me, and then I made $50 in literally 1 second, maybe even less than a second. 1,001. Yeah, it was definitely less than a second. I made $50 in. At the cost of me looking like an idiot, though. All right, 28.75. I have the next order out there, and if this wants to, keep on moving up, then I'll look to try to build a bigger position. But I'm certainly not going to turn down $50 in a matter of seconds. Okay, at 28.85 here. Just got to break out. Let's see if it can poke its head up a little bit. I'm still staying by the principle that you pretty much need to count on, and I realize now I'm hedging my statement a little bit. You pretty much need to count on the price going against you if you want to get filled. All right, let's just go up to 95 at this point. So 28.95. Well, that makes me feel a little bit better. The highest it went anyways was right there where my cursor is 28.81, so I still wouldn't have been filled at 85. But all right, if it wants to work its way back up there. Okay, I have an order in at 28.45. This area seems to be getting pretty sketchy in terms of, wow, another $50 in a matter of a second. Point being, what I was going to say before I was already in and out of the trade, this area seemed to be pretty sketchy in regards to levels of resistance. So now let's try this up at 28.55. So same principle. This area in general seems to be pretty sketchy. So we'll see. And wow, out there again, that's just like a $50 ATM machine. All right, 28.65. So this one's really making me look stupid. Oh, it's got to go against you. And here I am making $50 in 3 trades. And I think each trade, well, that last one was maybe 3 seconds long. Anyway, same principle though. This area seems to be pretty sketchy right now as far as resistance levels. Not seems to be, it is, as you've seen from the past few trades there. So I'll just keep kind of working it up. So 28.65 going to be the next entry point. But this is some weird action. I mean, good action. I mean, how many trades has it been now? 4 trades. But yeah, this thing is literally like the $50 ATM machine. All right, well, if it looks like it can get back up to 28.65, I will get the video rolling again. Okay, it's working its way up there. All right, never mind. I very well may miss the entry point because this one is so jumpy, but I will do my best. Well, I'll leave it running now. So again, 28.65. All right, well, back down it goes. I'm just going to go ahead and get rid of that one now. And if it wants to work its way up to 95, I would definitely be interested up there. So we'll see. 28.95. Okay, I'm in. Oh, nice. Bigger break there. See if I can get some at 29.25. Trying, but it didn't give me any at 29.25. Let's see if it wants to get back up there, though. All right, what does it want to do? And at this point, I might as well go up to 29.45. Well, it's not giving me any at 45. We'll see here, though. Nope. Not willing to give up on it yet. Just sitting up there. So let's see what it wants to do here. And you see it, I'm just, see the yellow order there? That's my order just sitting in there. It's trying. And it's not playing ball. I may just hit the bid here at 35 to pick up some more, but I'm not going to, there we go. Put an order out there. Let's try for some up there at 65 also. Nice, got those. So let's move this up here. That represents basically if it hits that green line, that is putting me into the green. Let's try for some at 85. Okay, got some of those, got some of those, got some of those. Nice. So let's see if this thing wants to pull back some. Gonna have a stop in up over the $30 mark. I'm not gonna play too many games with this one. But I do still like the chances that it pulls back here. So again, 2,000 shares, 29.48. So we'll see here, like I said, if it can get down to that green line there, then I'm in the green. So let's see what it wants to do here. Pulling back some, like I said, if that can hit the green line, then I'm in the green. So let's see if it can get down there or not. Again, if this candle here goes down there and bumps its head on that green line, that implies that I'm in the green. So I'm getting some more shares out here. So what I'm going to do, well, that one didn't go as planned at all. So now things are getting sloppy here. So 674 left. So what I'm going to do is just put those up over the 51 here, and I'm going to set a stop here, and I'll just follow this down. Well, now it's moving in my favor, but with slippage still might get me a little bit. So 29. All right, out there. So still made money on the trade, but you saw there just very sloppy trying to get out. It wasn't exact. I wanted this thing to roll over more, but it just you saw the trade, so I really don't need to explain. It just didn't cooperate. It started to roll over, sure, but never got really much follow through. But I'll take it. 277, and let's see. Well, BMY all of a sudden. Let's go look at that one. Then again, we're already almost at 15 minutes. Nah. All right, well, I'm going to just wrap up this video here. So I'm actually very excited about it. Not only did we find some awesome, those first trades where it was $50, $50, $50, and then we saw a trade where I was able to build a position, but then it got very real in the sense of, you saw it was sloppy getting out. I mean, it was still totally a profitable trade, made, I don't know, was it like 150 bucks? No, 125 bucks on it or so, give or take right around there, but it was sloppy getting out. And you know what? That's okay. That happens as a trader. Sometimes a trade plan is just, for whatever reason, the exit portion, the management portion, like you just saw, it gets sloppy. That doesn't mean you're a bad trader. It doesn't mean you don't know what you're doing. It just means that's just how some stocks act and behave, and it is what it is. But in this situation, like as you saw, I was still able to pull off plenty nice profit from it, but not a situation where wasn't as ideal. I would have liked to seen that roll over some more, and I could have banked a whole lot more than I did. But like I said, it just got sloppy. So if you did enjoy this video and want me to keep making these live trades, the first way you can communicate that to me is to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel. And that's just a great way for me to know to keep taking time out of my day, because yeah, it is a little bit more difficult to try to talk and trade and press the right buttons, but I will continue to do it as long as people find interest and find, just good entertainment in these and they're helpful. And if you're interested in trading alongside me and other traders, I do offer a private interactive live chat room at claytrader.com. The key number there is $8.25. What do I mean? Well, the price is $99 per quarter. So then the question you need to ask yourself is, do I believe the service can help me make more than $8.25, not per day, but per week? If you believe the service can make you more than $8.25 per week, then you will get a good return on investment, because that's the break-even point, $8.25 per week. So I'd encourage you to go and check it out and hopefully decide to join me and other very quality traders. And then finally, if you're interested in learning how to trade with charts and build strategies that fit your personal risk tolerance levels and your goals, then again, claytrader.com, check out the Trading Freedom Pathway program. And if you have any questions on that, just leave those down below. But if nothing else, like I said, and you just want me to keep making these because you enjoy them, hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below. All that helps out. Take care, everybody. And yeah, like I said, sometimes things can be smooth sailing, which you saw those 1 second $50 trades. Then sometimes things can get sloppy, and we encapsulated all that in one single video. So that's great, and I'll see you back for the next live trade. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.